In this video, I will show you how you can disable Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you want to turn off Gemini from the power button of your Samsung phone, so for that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Now from here, just tap on Side button. And on this page, just select Long Press. Now instead of Digital Assistant from Google, just select the Power Off menu or Bixby. Now after you do that, you'll remove Gemini from the power button. But if you want to turn off Gemini completely from your Samsung phone, then for that, just go back to Settings and just go back to the main settings page. From here, just scroll down and tap on Google Services. Tap on All Services. And on this page, just scroll down and select Search, Assistant, and Voice. From here, just tap on Gemini and just scroll down a bit and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now, instead of Gemini, just select the Google Assistant. Just tap on Switch. Now, after you do that, just tap on Search, Assistant, and Voice one more time and tap on Google Assistant. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on General. Now from here, just disable the toggle for Google Assistant. Now just select Turn Off. Now after you do that, you will turn off Gemini completely on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.